How to get items without inviting friends on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to obtain items for free on Temu without the need to invite your friends. To get started, open and log into your Temu account and navigate to the Use section or the Account button located at the bottom of the screen and ensure that the option to earn free credits and gifts is activated. It's important to note that this feature may not be accessible in certain regions, so make sure you have selected the correct country and the region to avoid any issues. Additionally, remember that even if you win something within the app, you won't receive the actual item unless you have it delivered to the correct address. Once you're in the app, simply tap on the Fish Land feature, engage in the activities such as Fish Land and the Farmland to earn the rewards without relying on the friends invites. While many games on the Temu typically require you to invite friends to acquire the specific gifts, there are alternative options available. For instance, you can redeem credits, allowing you to redeem a maximum of 200 credits. However, be cautious as this may prompt you to refer friends to claim rewards, which may not align with your goal of obtaining the free items without inviting others. Explore other games within the platform that offer rewards without the need of the friend invites, and keep in mind that the certain games may not be accessible in all the countries and do not require the friend invitations. So this was all about it. This is how you can get free items on Temu without inviting friends. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials.